and previous class discussion on asexual reproduction as different method: binary fission, fission, multiple fission. Today here topic a discussion on bi-budding. Bi-budding bi-budding. What is the bi-budding? It is the most common method. It is the most common method of reproduction in a lower organism. In yeast cell, the protoplasm out in the form of a bud that grow in eventually separated from mother cell. In some algae, protoplasm, also vegetative propagation take place by budding. Some multicellular animals like solentrates produce small buds which gradually grow to acquire the form of the adult. In Hydra, an example, yeast Saccharomyces, the name is Saccharomyces or yeast. The bud is separated in any epidermal cell of growth in cell that is called budding. Bud, epidermal storage cell, the outgrowth is called bud. Anterior, lumen and superior, that example, suppose that it is a Saccharomyces. Saccharomyces means yeast and another is a buds, as a buds. The buds like is superior outer growth of cell and one inner side of cell. Here nucleus, then elongated condition and new form of a buds formation such as and between two cell is elongated condition. That elongated condition is formation in buds, and this process here student bi-budding process, the Saccharomyces and another name is yeast. Saccharomyces and another name is yeast. This process, first A, Saccharomyces is in the layer, a protective layer, and lower layer, a nucleus, the point generated of elongated of cell. After all, next process number B, this cell is elongated and growth in out inner side. Next C and next D process. This process, B process, when elongated, a formation a involved cell, that is called involved cell. Another, sometimes this cell is growth and formation a bud. Bud means a simple language swollen of cell outside. That is formation evolve after sometimes in environmental condition, adapted environmental condition, this cell wall is breakdown and formation a daughter cells and a parent cell. This process is called by-budding.
रुको जी.
Dear student, regeneration process is an asexual process. Some lower organism like hydra and starfish have a great power of replacement of lost part is called regeneration. It can occur at the level of cell, tissue and organism. For example, hydra is cut transversely. Hydra is a cut transverse system, and the formation upper part and lower part is represented by ... is regenerated part. Again, this part after some times regenerated part evaluated and burn the new hydra into two or more part. Each part will develop the last part, even a small portion of a hydra, and formation is all over portion or process is called regeneration. Regeneration is called asexual reproduction, and next asexual process start fragmentation. Asexual reproduction in fragmentation process, such as like milk converted curd. The example most suitable, alga. In fermentation, alga like Ulothrix, Spirogyra, etc. The thallus often break to a small fragment or a small piece. Each fragment has the capability to grow independently into a new thallus. In fungi, two small fragments of the hypha from the parent mycelium is able to develop into a new individual cell. This process is called fragmentation. Fragmentation mostly fungi and algae process, as such as example Ulothrix. Ulothrix is converted is break and near. That's when this septa breaks after sometimes a new formation, fragmentation. Fragmentation of one body is divided in different bodies is called fragmentation. Yeah, fragmentation. Fragmentation process in one present in only algae and some fungi, because Ulothrix, Spirogyra and different shape and size fragmentation divided in different body parts, and after sometimes it formation a new Spirogyra shell. That is a Spirogyra or Ulothrix. Spirogyra means a algae. That's fragmentation process. Again, definition. Fragmentation in filamentous algae like Ulothrix, Spirogyra. The thallus often break into thallus in Hindi is guha. Thallus in the process small thallus thallus. Thallus often break into small fragment. Each fragment has the capability to grow a small piece of cells and formation fragmentation process. That's clear.